All right, so hello. Welcome back to another session of geometry lessons with me, Mr. Kriskowski. I'm just trying to get this Surface Pro pen off of its holder on the side. It's a little bit rough sometimes, but anyhow, we figured it out. We made it work. Good job by us. Okay, so if I do this, now I can write. Yeah, and now I can erase. Hey, this video is going to be pretty short and sweet. We're going to be talking about making geometric constructions, okay? In general, construction's just what it sounds like. You're building stuff, okay? And it talks about that right here. Construction's method of creating figures without the benefit of measuring tools. Usually a pencil, straight edge, and compass are used in constructions, okay? And so the first construction we're going to do, and you're going to go, wow, I didn't know I knew how to do geometry constructions. This is not as hard as I thought it would be. When we do this first construction that, as you can see, is entitled copy a segment, okay? Step 1, step 2, step 3, they are all right there. So we're going to make sure you have the equipment you need. You might have to share a compass with somebody, but the bottom line is we're going to create a line segment that is the exact same length as another line segment. So basically these two segments are going to end up being, ooh, what's that word? What's that word? That's right, they're going to end up being congruent. So we're going to make a segment, and then we're going to make another segment that is congruent to the first one. All right, here we go. How do we do it? Step 1, step 2, step 3. All right, in step 1, we're going to draw a segment JK, and they've done that right here, and you can see that. Somewhere else on the paper, draw a line and label a point on the line. Now, all we're going to do in step 2 is we're going to use our compass to measure the first segment. Now, I don't need an actual number measure. I'm just setting my compass so that it is the same length, from the... I'm going to put the point at point J and the pencil tip at point K. So now my compass is open to the length of that segment. And now all we're going to do is we're going to take that same compass length using that setting. We're going to put the point at on the other line. And we're going to put the compass point at Q. And we're going to draw an arc, which is just a little mark or kind of a part of a circle, a very small part of the circle. And remember, the distance from J to K is going to now be the distance from Q to R. Well, what did we just do? We just created another segment that's the same distance as the one we started with, segment JK. And so as you can see here, segment JK is congruent to segment QR. Congratulations, you have just copied a segment.